Draw the output signal in a PN junction diode when a square input signal of 10 volts as shown in the figure is applied across it. Okay, this is the given circuit and this is the diode. Okay, I'll draw this one once again. Minus 5 volts plus 5 volts. And this is the diode connected to the load resistance RL. Okay, this is the P junction and this is the N junction. Okay, when the first case, the negative volts, the negative terminal, that is the negative terminal here from here to this position to this position. In this position, okay, the P side is connected to the negative battery. P side is connected to the negative battery and the N side is connected to the positive battery. In this case, the reverse bias, it will not allow current. Therefore, the output is negative. You will not get anything here. Okay. Then once it crosses here, once the terminal will come for the positive volt here, then the this P, will do this one with a different color. Then this is in the second case, the second terminal, the P is as a positive and the N will come as a negative. Then the forward bias is there. Then our output signal will be produced as, from the negative terminal there is no, and for the forward the bias, it will give the output signal like this. Then again it is negative is there, then there is no output. Once again it is a positive, then this is the output and this will continue. This is the output signal of 10 volts.